Sometimes we may need to do feature engineering. So we want to add additional columns based on some existing attributes. So for that, again, you're going to do the same thing we did for adding a new attributes in the higher level table. You're now doing it at the same single level table. So right now, all of you should have a single level table. You should have returned the state back to the lower level table so that you just have this one table. So we want to percentage completed high school attribute. Okay, so we have the number of students who have completed high school, and I mean in the population 25 and over, and we also have the population, total population 25 and over. And they also had a column of the percentage. Since we can calculate the percentage, we had removed that from the data set. So if I want that information, I can calculate it using this formula. The number completed high school in that age range 25 and over, what fraction of that population completed high school, and converted to a percentage. So let's click on the plus. So now you can see the plus is not seen. So you can click anywhere on the data set, but preferably on the blue bars, and you see the plus sign shows up, and then click on the plus. Okay, so now this is percentage completed high school. And if I want to move this over to where is my high school population? Yeah, here. So this is number completed high school, and this is population 25 and over. So I can move that attribute closer to where I want it to make it meaningful. So if you want to move it, again, press and hold with your left mouse button and just drag it along to wherever you want it. So this is, I want it here. So this is number completed high school. This is population 25 and over. So we want the percentage calculated right after that. So you can rearrange the columns by dragging them around. So now we want the formula for this. So edit formula, and you could go ahead and type, or if someone has provided the formula, which I do for my students, is you can just have them copy and paste this, especially those who are very slow in programming, typing. They may fall behind if they have to type so much. So in that case, I ask them to copy paste it so that they don't fall behind. And when you copy paste, you can also verify that it is done correctly. If these get highlighted in this pink, I know that it has done it correctly. Because if this quote was different, let me change it to a different single quote. You see the color is different. Okay, so you want to make sure it's copied correctly. And I can then just apply. And we have the percentage of high school completers there. Okay, so a couple of things to observe. The back quotes is something important, especially if you are typing it in. You need to make sure you enclose those variable names with back quotes, mainly because the variable names have spaces in between. Whereas population 25 and over does not have any space in between, so that did not need to be enclosed in back quotes. Whereas number completed high school has spaces, so it has to be enclosed in back quotes. That is the difference. Now, if I want to remove the formula, click on the click on the delete formula, keeping values, and select that. And it pasted the values and removed the formula. Similar to what Excel does, right?